Well, but here's the big story this evening. Shares of Paytm's parent company, 197 Communications, recovered in today's trade after declining over 40% in the last 3 trading sessions. Sources have told CNBC-TV18 that Paytm founder and CEO Vijay Shekhar Sharma met RBI officials yesterday to discuss the regulatory action against Paytm Payments Bank. However, there was no forward movement on any remedial measures. Meanwhile, select startups have written to the government as well as to the central bank, urging them to consider rolling back the restrictions on Paytm Payments Bank. Ritu Singh joining us now with more details. Ritu, give us a sense, tell us more about the Paytm crisis.
Well, yes, Paytm's founder Vijay Shekhar Sharma did have a meeting with RBI officials over the Paytm Payments Bank matter, but there's not much to write about just yet. We understand that there has been no forward movement or any relief provided by the regulator, and these restrictions are likely to remain. But while the bank's troubles may not have ended, the free fall in Paytm shares seems to have found a bottom. We saw the 197 stock rising in trade, closing about 3% higher after 3 relentless days of selling. Meanwhile, we understand a bunch of startup founders have penned a letter to the Prime Minister's office, the Finance Ministry, as well as the Reserve Bank of India, urging them to reconsider the sanctions on the bank. Now, these founders, about 12 of them, which includes, we understand, the likes of Innovate, Capital Mind, Make My Trip, Bharat Matrimony and others, have said in their letter that such actions on the bank would have far-reaching consequences for the ecosystem. They could impact millions of users, impact India's image as a business-friendly nation. And these founders have also urged RBI to consider engaging in a dialogue with the bank and give them a window of opportunity to rectify the deficiencies. It's unusual, yes, to see this kind of a reaction from the community, but we understand there are also others in this community that did not associate themselves with the letter. So you have both sides, when it comes to this story. In other developments, of course, following some reports of a potential sale of Paytm's wallet business to Jio Financial, both Paytm Payment Bank, as well as Jio Financial have clarified to exchanges that they have not engaged in any such discussions, calling these news reports suggesting otherwise false and speculative.
Right, Ritu, thanks a lot for those inputs, but more